I'm Matt Berger. I was primarily responsible for the CAD modeling and 3D print rapid prototyping for this project.
My name's Max Menken. I was the head quality engineer of this project while working on the testing jig and testing methods.
I'm Rex Chambers. I was part of the preliminary design process and media management for this project.
For this project, we worked alongside David Swenson at Eastern States Steel Corporation, based in New Jersey. David's company specializes in making metal spacers for reinforced concrete piping. However, recent changes to State Department of Transportation inspection criteria necessitate the need for a plastic spacer. Multiple spacers must be placed around a steel reinforcement wire mesh to ensure that it is not shifted from its central position during production. Our client requires us to design a spacer that is both easy to install and able to withstand any forces that may be imparted on it during production of concrete pipe.
This is one of our initial designs. It's extremely easy to put on, but it was extremely easy to remove.
So this was one of our final designs. It's called the drop-down spacer. This was our initial 3D print, and then this was a few iterations later. But we would find that even though it was extremely easy to put on, it was extremely easy to remove in a vertical direction. It also has an issue of rocking back and forth while attached to the mesh.
Our final design, the Y-shaped design, utilizes a two-stage application process for added security around the wire mesh. It went through numerous 3D print iterations as we optimized for injection molding. We fabricated a test jig to determine our success.
We're here at Happiness Tech in Morrisville, Vermont with Jake Kittle, and we're going to be injection molding our Y-shaped design on his Morgan Press G100T molding machine.
The active ingredient in WD-40 that makes it work so well? Fish oil. Here we go.
Really?
Ready, set, go.
Send it. I saw some stuff come out the top.
Oh boy. Okay. Well, we'll see what we get. That's a little worrisome, all that.
It's just like not a good seal around the nozzle.
Yeah, I'm afraid the top of our mold might not be taking the temperature. But here we go, cross your fingers.
Fingers crossed. Okay.
Okay, alright. Not terrible, but that might just be... Oh, it's hard to tell.
Could that possibly just be just from the hot nozzle touching it?
So this is our first injection molded piece. It's actually not bad. It fixes on the mesh as well. We've already tried it. Just a couple things though is that we've noticed that the injection pressure is actually higher than the clamping pressure, which means that when the machine injects the plastic into the mold is actually not putting enough force on keeping the mold pieces together. And because of that, the plastic is actually seeping out between the molds, and that results in something known as flashing, which you can see right here on this little fin.
There we go.
Yeah, send that.
Alright, looks like I didn't have quite enough clamp. There we
See what
go.
our part looks like.
Following injection molding, we used Dr. Novotny's Materials Lab single column force tester to determine the amount of force that our part could withstand. We force tested our design in 4 principal directions: up, down, left, and right. And we force tested our client's design in the critical direction of failure, and found that our design was able to withstand almost 2.5 times the amount of force as our client's design. We were able to injection mold 115 spacers, and we sent 60 of them back to our client for field testing at a concrete pipe making plant. Due to liability issues, they were unable to make any concrete pipe out of our design, but we received very positive feedback from the foreman of the company.
What's next for the Y-shaped spacer?
So going forward from here for the Y-shaped spacer, we're currently in the process of working out the patenting details, and then once that has been completed, we're going to have to develop a industrial scale injection mold, because the one that we used on Jake Kittle's G100T molding machine is not going to be sufficient.